A reinforcer is something that occurs after a behavior that increases the likelihood of that behavior occurring again in the future. Essentially, if something is enjoyed after engaging in a behavior, one is likely to do that behavior again. Consider the following examples. When you knock on the door to your neighbor's house, nobody comes to the door. However, when you ring the doorbell, your friend answers the door. You're more likely to ring the doorbell in the future because your friend's behavior, answering the door, reinforced your behavior, ringing the doorbell. A child turns the pages of a book, and the consequence is new pictures appear. The child is likely to turn the pages of a book in the future because seeing pictures reinforces the behavior of turning pages. Similarly for potty training, if your child successfully uses the potty by going in the toilet bowl during a scheduled or self-initiated toileting, then they should be strongly reinforced with some kind of reinforcement accompanied by social praise. Examples might include a high five, a sticker for their potty chart, or a small favorite drink or snack. By providing some rewards as reinforcement, you're setting up your child for success by giving them enough fluid, taking them every 20 minutes, and reinforcing when they use the toilet. This makes the child want to go to the bathroom again, thereby increasing their toileting behavior. Now you might think you're bribing your child to use the potty. However, a reward system is different than a bribe. This is an important distinction. A reward follows behavior, while a bribe precedes it. Rewards are very useful in toilet training, but only if they're given with expedience. If you wait too long, or provide something your child does not prefer, your child may fail to make the connection, and any positive reinforcement you would have gained will be lost. There are some key characteristics of a good potty training reward. Number 1, it should be something your child prefers. It's important to keep in mind that effective reinforcers should be used. That is, it should not be assumed that praise or certain edibles or toys will be effective. Rather, the reinforcer should be something your child has demonstrated that he or she likes and clearly prefers. Making toilet successes rewarding is a very important part of the program, so be sure to put as much emphasis as possible on rewarding successful toileting. Number 2, it should be immediate. The reward should be offered immediately following the potty success for the best effect. When first teaching a new skill, it's especially important to provide reinforcement immediately after every target behavior has occurred. By delivering reinforcers immediately after target behaviors, you're making sure your child understands exactly how to respond. Because the reinforcement is immediate, they're more likely to repeat the behavior again. Therefore, you should offer the potty training reward immediately after your child successfully uses the potty. Number 3, it should be consistent. The reward should be given consistently after each potty success, even if your child forgets to ask for it for up to the first 2 weeks. We'll talk about this more in a second. This shows that you're trustworthy, and your child will appreciate your follow-through to what you've promised, making them more likely to use the potty again next time. Number 4, it should be exclusive. The reward shouldn't be something that your child's able to get freely anytime throughout the day or for any other positive behavior. Otherwise, they may be satiated, and it isn't rewarding. And you run the risk of them not using the potty and performing the other behavior in order to get it. Instead, try to set up a deprivation period for at least several days prior to beginning the toilet training. Be sure that whatever treat or reward is being used is only for potty training and not others. Think of something new and creative that you can keep only for potty success to make the process more enticing for your child. Generally, the reinforcer would consist of social descriptive praise, such as, "Yay, you went to the potty," at the time of the successful toilet use. This praise could also be paired with or followed by allowing the child to engage in a preferred activity, such as playing with a favorite toy or game, or giving the child a favorite edible, such as a fruit snack or mini M&M. If snacks are used, they should be very small and used only during the first few days of potty training. Need more ideas for potty training rewards? Here are some of parents' favorite reward options. Number 1, social praise. Use social reinforcement. There's no need to make a deposit into their college fund every time they poop in the potty. Simply saying, "Yay, you went to the potty, I'm so proud of you," with excitement, or pairing with clapping, dancing, or squealing with delight. Make a grand announcement to the whole family about his or her success. Have everyone cheer and clap for your child. Some children really love this attention. Number 2, charts. Charts are helpful, and children love seeing the gold stars fill up their charts. Children also love stickers. Posting a sticker chart inside or outside your bathroom and rewarding your child whenever they go is a great way to make sure they stick to the program. Number 3, a treat or a prize box. Take your child to the store and have them pick out cheap prizes that interest them. You can buy your child's favorite little animals, figurines, cute erasers, and crayons. You know your child's interests. After that, place the prizes in a decorated box or basket. Include your child in the decorating process. Explain to them that these are the treats and prizes they'll receive every time they use the toilet. It's important your child select the prizes. This keeps them motivated. Number 4, special books. Some parents buy special books that are kept in the bathroom. The child can only read the book when he or she is sitting on the toilet. Other parents keep special coloring books that can only be used after using the potty. Now, obviously, you don't want to be offering a reward to your child every single time they use the potty for the rest of eternity, but be careful about stopping rewards too soon, and don't go cold turkey when you do. It's best to ease away from the rewards gradually to avoid disrupting potty progress. So after the first 2 weeks or so, start setting longer-term goals for your child. Instead of each individual potty success, reward each successful potty day, then week, month, etc. Each time you increase the goal, increase the reward. Start off with small things like social praise, either paired or not paired with a small edible each time. Then a special book for a weekly goal. Then move to museum, zoo, or amusement park trips for monthly goals. By then, you'll be okay to stop offering rewards altogether. Now, the moral of this story is that don't shy away from offering a reward to motivate your child to use the potty. Appeal to your child's natural desires, and the experience is bound to be much more positive for both of you. In addition, don't forget to reward yourself. You deserve it as well.